Does the weather really make arthritis worse? As the rain moves over Melbourne, I'm investigating whether changes in precipitation, temperature, and barometric pressure can affect arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, and other forms of arthritis. And is there anything you can do about it? If you've ever noticed more stiffness, pain, or fatigue on grey, damp days, well, you're not the only one. I'll attempt to explain some possible likely reasons behind weather-related pain and what research shows, and some ideas that help me personally. As the barometer falls and the cold front approaches, I feel my shoulders tighten and that familiar pain arise. For me, falling pressure and the chill reinforce each other, causing muscles to tense and the pain to feel sharper. One factor is barometric pressure, the weight of the air around us. When the pressure drops before storms, the tissues in and around the joints can expand slightly. The tiny expansion increases the tension in joint capsules and around tendons, enough in someone already sensitive to make pain signals stronger. Add cold and damp weather, and muscles naturally guard and tense up, which amplifies that underlying tension. A storm on the horizon often matches a predictable shift in how my body feels. Behind that, feelings are nerves that have become more responsive. They amplify small signals into bigger sensations. As the sky darkens and wind and rain pick up, some practical responses matter. Staying warm with layers and targeted heat reduces muscle guarding, and gentle, frequent movement prevents stiffness from settling in. Tracking helps too. Log a few weeks of pain, sleep, activity, and the local weather to see if the pattern repeats. Data beats guesswork. If you consistently flare with falling pressure, schedule demanding tasks for better weather. Use pacing so you don't overdo it on good days, and talk to your doctor about timing treatments or short-term options for predictable flares. So the storm outside can be a useful signal. It doesn't need to be a sentence, and small, steady habits make the weather's effect easier to manage. There is also a psychological factor. If you expect to hurt in bad weather, you may notice and report pain more. Behavioural changes on bad weather days, example, less activity, poorer sleep, social withdrawal, also raise pain independently. So, bottom line, weather effects on arthritis are a mix of real physical and nervous system responses, plus psychological, behavioural amplification, not purely psychosomatic, but not identical for everyone. If you have found value in this video, a like and always subscribe to help me grow this channel. And always be kind to yourself and to others, and see you next time. Bye.